Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will learn about how to dividing the decimals. This is 1.845 divided by 0.15. So let's start. First of all, this is 1.845 divided by 0.15. So look at this decimal. This is decimal and after that there are two digits. So shift this decimal over here like this, 18 4 here, because you have two digit after decimal. This is 15. So now 14.5 divided by 15. So we shift the decimal to point to the right. So this is divided by 15. So first of all, 15 ones are, this is 18, 15 ones are, this is negative and this is 3. 8 negative 5 is equal to 3 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So now this is 3 less than from 15, so shift this 4 over here. This is 34. 15 twos are 30. Okay, this is 4 negative 0 is 4. 3 negative 3 is 0, so there is no need to write 0 over here in the left. So after that, this is 4 and this is 15. 15 is much greater than from 4, so shift this value, this 5. Before shifting this value 5 over here, put decimal over here. So now this is 45 and now table of 15 is 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30 and 15 threes are 45. This is 45 and after that this is 0, this is 0. Now your answer is 12.3. So this is the answer of this question. And look how you can divide the decimals. Look at another question, 0.92 divided by 0.4. So equal to sign 0.92 divided by 0.4. So how to remove this point? By shifting this decimal there. After decimal in denominator there is one digit and shifting this 0. You can shifting this value like this, 9.2. 1 point on the right, it is 4. Now you can easily solve this question. How? 9.2 divided by 4. Okay, now 4 twos are 8. This is 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So 1 is less than from 4. Take this 2 over here, this 2 and this point is here. Now 4 threes are 12. This is 0 and this is 0. And your answer is 2.3. This is your answer. Hope so you got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. If this video is useful for you, please like this video. And if you want to take online tuitions, you can contact on WhatsApp 00923427009515. This is WhatsApp number. You can contact on this number. Thank you once again.